In this video, we will create a graph from the data that we have entered. We're going to start in cell A1 and select all the information that we have entered. Then we're going to click on Insert in the gray ribbon. And you'll notice that we have bar graphs here, so we're going to use the pull-down menu for bar graphs. And we're going to take the first one, this is a clustered column, and click Enter. At first glance, it appears that we've been pretty successful in creating our graph. However, I don't think too many math teachers would be satisfied with this graph. We don't have any axis titles, and I'm not sure number of votes is the best title that we can have to be descriptive about what our information really tells us. So on the bar, we are going to the ribbon at the top, we're going to click on Quick Layout, and we're going to select Layout number 9. Notice as I hover over each of these, it tells me or shows me briefly what the graph is going to look like. I like that it has the axis titles and it still has a title for the graph, so I think we're pretty good here, so I'm going to click this one. Now, I didn't like number of votes because really what this is favorite after school snacks. And this axis title would be, and I'm going to click over here so I can highlight the whole thing. This axis title would be number of votes. And this one on the x-axis is going to be snack choices. I think this is a much better layout. I don't really need to define the columns as number of votes since I have that here. So I can click on this and right click if I put my cursor right on the edge and delete it. There we go. I like this. One last thing to note, if you were going to be printing this, you might want to move the graph so that it only takes up a single page. You can just grab a hold of it and drag it over and put it where you want. So now you have a really nice graph and you show the data that was used to create that graph.